Hmm. An unexpected incident yesterday night at Pune International Airport brought many thousands of passengers' trip into trouble. Right now, we are standing at Pune International Airport where the situation is quite Right now, we are standing at Pune International Airport where the situation quite feels normal over here as we have seen an unexpected incident at airport. Last night brought many travel plans for thousands of passengers to a complete halt. Around 10:25 p.m. during the landing, the undercarriage of a fighter aircraft suddenly malfunctioned, causing it to get stuck directly on the runway. Within moments, the situation turned serious. The runway was completely blocked, and authorities had to suspend all the flight operations. For passengers present at the airport, this was not just a news but a real life inconvenience. Many were preparing to reach the important destinations while others were waiting to land to Pune after long journeys. However, the sudden disruption of the plans have brought the passengers into a trouble. Some passengers were seen informing their families about delays over the airports on the phone calls and other messages, while others waited at the airport for the further updates. According to Indian Air Force ATC, it was estimated that it would take around 4 to 5 hours to clear the obstruction and the resume of the flight operations. Fortunately, there were no casualties reported in the incident. All crew members on board were safe, and there was no damage to civilian property, confirmed by the official sources. Meanwhile, technical teams and concerned authorities worked on a war footing throughout the night. Efforts were continuously made to clear the runway despite the darkness. Every moment was crucial as sooner as the airport reopened, the sooner passengers' difficulties would be reduced. Finally, after tireless efforts, the repair work was completely, and after ensuring the safety, the airport was cleared after the resume operations. As we have seen yesterday, there was a massive disruptions of the flight around at 10:45 p.m. in the night, where we have seen that as we have seen the en- as we have seen the unexpected incident at Pune airport at last, like at 10:25 p.m. during the landing. It has been taken place where many passengers were traveling and many passengers were planning to land to Pune were got into a trouble, as we have seen. Now the situation over the airport seems and now the situation in Pune airport seems quietly resume, as we have seen that the runway of Pune airport has been temporarily unavailable for the next few hours due to the accident of a Air Force, that is IAF aircraft. IAF aircraft. Now the situation, as we have seen, it is totally under control, and we have also seen that departure flights resumed from 7:30 a.m. today, where arrival flights restarted from 8 a.m. However, the impact of the incident did not disappear immediately. Flight schedules were disrupted, with many flights being cancelled, diverted, or delayed. Between April 17 to April 18, the incident had the maximum impact on various airlines. In total, more than 90 flights were affected. Some had to cancel their planned events and the arrangements. As we have seen, total 90 flights were affected. But now the situation at Pune airport is quite normal. But these type of situations can create a massive issue, because many passengers may be planned to have a good travel in the city or the other places. I'm Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.